25 runs needed to pick up victory. Goes big. Does he find space? Yes, it does. Plays it high and above. This time there was contact and there was no one in the deep. As was Simon, but that wouldn't be the determining factor. Goes big and goes big. It does. Overconfidence and the ball goes in the air backwards. This time it ends up in run chase. Before that wicket, Uzana was picking the moment beautifully. Beautiful catch! But
brilliant, brilliant. It can't. Unfortunately, he lost the toss, and so he was putting to go and bat. He plays it up, and the intent is clear.
Get the wicket. Dwight trying. Big bounce and caught in between the gap. Does it race to the rope? No, it doesn't. Big stop at the boundary. Paul Palm has definitely been consistent in cutting that.
We hosted this tournament to change position. What's going on? Paul Palm is angry.
And he will have the last laugh. One of my perks about being a leader on so far is going out in 1.4 overs bowled. Make that 27 has been sent to the ropes and looks back to back. Jimo, is this a catch for Jimo? At the second time, he fails to catch it. Just punches that ball beyond the reach. Oh. And for the second time, Paul Palm finds the same space and gets 4 more.
And no wicket has been lost yet. Oh, lovely piece of fielding there.
We saw the Eastern Elephants push themselves all the way, and we have somebody in that deep region because he knows how to be big. It doesn't go there, but this time travels within the backward point region. Desperate to come on strike, already into double figures. He's contributed 14 of the runs off his bat, and Folat Jimmy executes nicely with a. We're almost into the midway point of this inning. Goes. Does he finishes? Does he race to the boundary? Yes, it does.
Soft hands, quick run in between wicket. Will he get it? Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
Looking like they were in control in the second game against the Middlebelt Tiger. The momentum was shifted too very frequently between both sides until you got to a point where side is open. They're not worried about the singles, but they want to stop those boundaries, which is still coming regardless of the field setting. Pulled very.
If they still have this, what they require, plays it up and looks like it will be gone. But it's a good catch. In the air, inside out, you call it uppercut, whatever you want to, but Chima gets much. And all the way, Chima wasting no time, going over at the end. 2 deliveries left. Bowled him, got his man, no answer. And it's a game of probability. Up in the air, And it's gone. Eweka Ogbemudia does the job. Up in the air. A catching opportunity. And the catch taken. Osher Boniface is angry.
Caught it. Gave it big chase, but that ball would only race forward.
AJ Cricket Hop. And it's gone! Chima wins it!
This is the longest any team has gone without registering a run on the board, and that too in a crucial match as this. And that is what you two crossed before any ball was being picked. Up in the air with that goal. Yes, it will travel. It's been long coming. Chima, the field is active, ready to catch. Mohamed Moshood. And that will not be an opportunity. Will they take two? Yes, they will take two. Will it be a run out? Yes, it will be.
One run off the mark. Okwara Samuel.
Maximum! And they want to end this game quickly. They need. Is this going to be the winning run? And yes, it is. Congratulations.
Let's hope that these decisions count for them. He goes big. No fielder around it. That will land safe. The chase is on. Slow outfield. Yes, it goes on that round later. And again, outside edge. Would get another boundary from there. Flashing hard. Disappointing. It is Mohamed Mo. And again, captain going big. Would get no, says that boundary rider, and Wood worked very hard to get here. Makere. He's gone big. There's somebody under it. Manager going big as well. Would he go all the way? Would he get no? This is so wicked.
Second attempt and got themselves into the finals. And the first ball, not surprised to see how any pressures take it, and not surprised to see the run stick off that first ball. Conclude on who gets that crown. Big on the explosion, Solomon.
As we strive to get to greater heights in our cricket.
David is angry.
General TBS pitch, which has taken a lot of the water, and even despite heavy rainfall, has drained very well. I think that's a wicket.
And they were clearly the better side in the season. 2 runs they want to make. It looks risky, but eventually they get it.
Yeah, you talked about Ofo and Ofo
And all his team, Femi, Chibuzo, David, Timileyin. Big shout out to all of you. Missed opportunity there
To be in contention. And again, Kenneth Boniface was in the slot. Agedo.
that will be where the history will be marked for him and the Chowden Sharks. And he's off to a blistering start, finding the gap.
If these men are capable of doing that, again, throws his bat strong and hard, gets it across that boundary.
No boundaries yet. Oforola cuts it beyond Egosa. Will he get to the boundary ropes? 1, they will run. 2, they will take it. Would that be 4? Yes. Oforola, do you have it in the arsenal? In the air. but no, it would not go beyond the ropes and the style to win the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the sun certainly has set on this historical.
The idea is never lacking. The talent is never lacking. It's really around how do we finance it, which was always the major challenge that we had. But thankfully, we were able to put together some funds. This is the maiden edition, so we want to say that this is the least it will ever be. We have big plans for upcoming seasons, and we want to use this as an opportunity to also call on corporate sponsors. You know, like you said, the numbers are very good. The opportunity we're providing to the talent it's been very wonderful. The cricket in itself has been wonderful also. The excitement is there. So I think we're just going to look for a number of corporate partners to make this bigger. We're looking at bringing in some foreign players in the next edition. We're looking at bringing in foreign coaches. We want to make this the hub of cricket in Western and Central Africa. One of the things we're doing here is when you look at, we already have the CCC League that runs. It's run along a club format, and so there is always a case of the clubs who play the most are the ones who can attract the best player from a financial point of view. What this has done is to kind of even out the playing field, is to make it very, very competitive. And so it's giving a lot of the young guys also, because as part of the draft, we brought in developmental players to play with those who have played for Nigeria. So it's really creating an opportunity for them to see how it is to play at the international level, to experience that buzz, to experience, playing alongside the likes of Isaac Okpe, Sylvester Okpe, who've been, who are veterans playing for the Nigerian team. So we're hoping that this is a crucial part of our development journey, and we're certain that it will serve that purpose.
A couple of years ago, we would have thought we were ready for this, but the more the years went by, the more the NCF brand was stronger. And the more we got international recognition for our high performance, we felt it was right. This year, a lot of interest, so I'm really excited that we've pulled it off, and it can only get better. We spent a number of years building from the grassroots, getting a lot of attention, so that the game of cricket can be sustainable, more sustainable in Nigeria. And now we are creating an exciting opportunity for people to play at the highest level. So we have the 90 of the best players in Nigeria participating in this league. Nigeria is already a spotlight. I mean, we got a lot of inquiries this year from top cricketers within Africa wanting to play in this league. And hopefully we just wanted to create that brand, establish it, and hopefully next year we'll have some of the 6 teams inviting at least 2 players each. As I said, we want to build it in the same manner that we have the IPL. Nigeria is here to stay. I mean, we are 7th ranked when it comes to cricket in Africa, but I think we get even more recognition for the quality of what we put up on show, clearly amongst the top 5 for us. So Nigeria is clearly a top cricket destination, and we can get together from the feedback, the responses, and the lot of attention that this tournament is generating at this time.